one they thumb their nose at. Low class, brutal hits, looking like some road bash. No hits, go fast, throw them off, no chance, no control. Now look at him go. If I want it, I get it. I just lasso the comment, just to know that I did it. You said blah 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 blah, like I invited the comments. I need to see all about it before the toe tag. Chromax, we gotta know. I've been living in the fishbowl. Everybody looking, yeah. Looking at the kid go, doing what they wouldn't, doing what they couldn't. Not beats up, hanging out the window. Yeah. Everybody juking, yeah. Getting up, then we get low. Everybody pushing, yeah. I stopped tripping about the powers that be. Started thinking with the powers of 10. Give you a sense of the lens. Follow my lead as I cut through the breeze. Every step GPS, CCTV. Every breath squeeze through some SJW's tweet. They're so offbeat and so PC. They take the sweet right out the cantaloupe. Damn, they take the beast right out the animal.